Hello everyone. On today's episode, we're going to try to change rear struts on the Jaguar S tires. Yay. Alright, I got her all jacked up and on jack stands. I'm going to go and knock these wheels off and I'll give you a look at the problem area. Alright, I got the tires off, got a light set up, and bring you in. Now, this guy right here, is the strut assembly. Goes up into here, which I'm guessing is inside the trunk, and then connects down to the lower control arm by that there bolt. Doesn't look that bad. I wonder if I could just unbolt it down here and unbolt it, I guess inside the trunk. I'll have to look a little closer and then just wiggle it out. I don't know. Let's find out. Well everyone, my suspicions were correct. It is indeed in the trunk. There's the top of the strut mount and that stuff on top. I'm guessing that's what's left of my mount. Yay. Alright. I'm guessing the same thing on this other side right here. Open that guy up. Wonder what that access panel is for. If y'all know, hit me up. It's a 2002 S-Type. Anyway, all kinds of electricals, battery in the trunk, fuses, full-size spare. Anyway, well, let's get back to our main objective. Alright, got that sucker off. Took a little bit of a fight. Had to loosen the tie rod to let her fit through that hole. And then she fits up inside there to the 4 bolts. Yeah, kind of exciting. Now I got the other side, yay. Well, it got pretty serious, boys and girls. I had to go and pull out all of the trunk liner to go and get an easy access to these guys. Ooh, look at that OEM CD changer. Anyway, there's the mountain of all the trunk I gotta put back in there. Yeehaw. But the good part is, here's the passenger side. You can see her all purty like in there. I'll take you on over there to the driver. And there it is. Yeah, I had to call the wife out here to help out, because as I positioned this part, I could not see in the trunk, and she had to line that up for me. That was pretty difficult. Anyways, we'll get the tires back on it. Hopefully it'll be a big success. Gotta go and get a little love to her too, coming up soon. Well, thank you everyone. Like and subscribe.